Hey, what's up everybody? So I want to talk about my retail arbitrage pickups. So, yesterday I went to Walmart and then Meijer. And Meijer is a regional grocery superstore, kind of like Walmart, but they really only have stores in the Midwest. So it's really nice for finding items to resell, because a lot of the items they have aren't going to be able to, some people might not be able to find them in other parts of the country. So it's really good for buying stuff to resell for that reason. And so I've actually bought some stuff that's full price to sell, and some like health and beauty stuff. It's like almost 100% ROI on it, so pretty nice. I only bought, I would say, like 10 of them, and probably gonna sell, probably run out of them in the next couple weeks, so I'll have to go back to getting more. But that's the only thing I got at Meijer was those health and beauty stuff. But at Walmart I found some clearance toys. Hopefully I make some good money on those. Those are probably about 60 to 70% ROI on it, at least right now. I really doubt, or I really think that the price is going to tank whenever those get into the warehouse. So that's why I sent them out. So I bought them yesterday and I sent them out yesterday. And that's not something I would do that frequently when I was doing this full time. So I would spend like a whole day buying stuff, and then I would try to go through it the next couple days. But if I really want to make money at this, if I really want to get serious about this, you really have to send your stuff out, especially if you're buying it from Walmart or Target or places like that. You want to send it out that day. You want to send it out as quickly as possible so you can make that money, and so the prices don't tank. So that was really my retail arbitrage pickups past few days. That's about it for right now, and I'll see everybody next time.